Hello, grandkids. It's Mema. And here is another Ryan T. Higgins book. We're going to have to find some more of these. They're so much fun. Bruce's Big Storm. Oh, look at, he looks familiar. That mouse was in another book we read, and the bear was in another book we read. Bruce's Big Storm. Let's see what's going to happen here. Bruce's Big Storm. Bruce was a bear who did not like neighbors. Oh, he looks like he doesn't like neighbors, does he? I think that's a neighbor. Neighbors were loud. Hi, Bruce, want a ride? Vroom, vroom. They were always interrupting. Brownie? He's offering him a brownie. And pestering. Want to play frying pan ball? Worse still, neighbors lived all over Bruce's neighborhood. Hi, neighbor, do you have any robotic laser cutters I can borrow? Look, he's washing his dishes. Bruce's neighbors were always coming and going, but at least none of them stayed very long until the day of the big storm. And on the TV, it has a frog saying, "Soggy Hollow's weather today will have rain that is very wet and wind that is very windy." Sorry to bother, but can we please stay here during the storm? Bruce did not want visitors. He wanted to wait out the storm in peace and quiet. Look at, there's the two mice. But not everyone felt that way. Big storms are less scary when you're together. Let's invite everyone to play games in our pajamas. I love pajama parties, and we don't even have pajamas. As the rain started to fall and the winds got windier, more and more animals began to arrive. Finally, the whole neighborhood was there. Wait, said Rupert. Someone is still outside. There's Rupert from our other book. Everyone went to the window to look. Well, almost everyone. Look at them all. There was a little bunny out in the storm. Someone has to save her, shouted Thistle. I'm on my way, said Nibs as he ran out the door. Look at Nibs carrying the umbrella. But the big storm was too much for the mouse. And in his hurry, Nibs got a little carried away. Ah! Oh, look, I can see my house from here. He got carried away by the wind. Nibs' rescue mission was not going as planned. I'm here to rescue you, but I need help down first. The little bunny. It's okay. Swoosh. This is all part of my plan. Oh. Whose paw do you think that is? They needed a little more help. Bruce, you came to save us. You took my favorite umbrella. Uh-oh, maybe we need a new plan. Now they're all getting swept away. Everyone had to pitch in, and together they pulled the bunny, the mouse, and the grumpy old bear back to safety, along with the umbrella. Look at, they all made a line, and they're all pulling them back to safety. It had been quite an adventure. Everyone take one of Bruce's clean towels. Bruce did not like adventures. While the storm raged on outside, Bruce's visitors, cozy and warm, played games to pass the time. Duck, duck, Bruce, you're it! Bruce did not like games. Duck, duck, Bruce! Then one last guest arrived, a great big oak tree, and it didn't knock. Battle stations! Bring me a chainsaw. I'm allergic to acorns. Squeak! The tree fell on Bruce's house. Oh no. They were all okay, but the house was not. I think the roof might have a leak. Still, everyone found a safe, dry corner to spend the night. Everyone's with Bruce, the grumpy bear. Come morning, Bruce's house didn't look so great. Oh no, the tree went right through it, didn't it? He saved his chair. Soon, Bruce's neighbors went back to their own homes, leaving Bruce behind to grumble in the rubble. But not for long. Tap, 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 tap. Now what? All of Soggy Hollow, every neighbor came back to lend a hand, hoof, paw, or wing to help Bruce rebuild. Oh, what a nice neighborhood. Over time, Bruce's house was put back together, even better than before. We call this addition the rumpus room. It's for rumpusing. I'm not quite sure what rumpusing means, but it sounds like fun. It became a popular place in Soggy Hollow for all the neighbors to gather and have fun. I have 5 old maids. You can't have 5 old maids in poker. I thought we were playing Go Fish. Hey, who's been eating all the poker chips? I thought they were crackers. Bruce did not like fun, and he still did not like neighbors. Knock, knock, knock. Uh-oh. They're playing cards, aren't they? But they sure liked him. You've been elected to be our den mother. Isn't that a silly book? That's the end. Bruce didn't particularly like everybody coming to his house all the time, but he was there kind of as a grumpy old bear. But they all helped save his home. Oh, that was a cute story and wonderful, wonderful illustrations. All right, grandkids, Mema loves you very much. I love you. A bushel and a peck, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck. I'll read you later. Mwah!